Good morning, guys. Well, we've just had quite an incredible evening last night.
One more time, Brad.
After going out to the bars and having really good food, and of course waking up to a place like this. I mean, seriously, how much more beautiful can you get? I mean, sunrise this morning was just fantastic. The colors, the way that the light was hitting the mountain, it was perfect. Absolutely perfect. Sri Lanka, I doubted you in the beginning, but my God, have you proved me wrong. Morning, James.
This morning. Morning.
Head is so big. His head is the size of Gaia.
Yeah.
Can't, I'm out of breath now. I'm a lazy mother. Sweating like a fat kid in a candy shop.
Yes.
Alright, so our plan initially was to go to the shops, or at least the girls to go shopping, me and Brad to walk around and do something of our own thing. But it turns out the shop is closed at the moment. And so now we're gonna go check out some place called the Flower Garden or the Bird Garden or something along those lines with parrots and birds and
Here's
flowers.
The biggest parrot.
It's true. There's the biggest flower over here.
Flower. Dahlias. My favorite flower.
Sweet spot, huh? How awesome is this holiday, Melli, so far?
Amazing.
Yeah, would you do
Yes.
this again?
Oh, I'm already planning my next trip to Sri Lanka.
Okay. Will we do it again with Brad and Steffi?
Yes, of course.
Damn it, I was going to say nah, not really. A pain. These guys are a pain to travel with. They keep showing us all these amazing places and getting us drunk. It's not the way I wanted to travel, Brad. Good news, the shop is open. Let's go let the ladies run wild. Alright, finished at Zion View Lodge. Next up, Udawalawe. Something like this. Udawalawe. That's the one. And now let's watch the entertaining part of these people pack the tuk-tuks. Buffalo hanging out here, grazing on the farm. Pretty amazing. Just absolutely incredible.
We just saw elephants.
I mean, to see them up close and personal for the first time is really, really something special. And sure, it was behind a fence, but I mean, it's a massive ground. I mean, it's a whole park, national park, that these guys got to roam around in. And it's a very humbling experience. Nice. Alright, so we've just arrived at our lodge for this evening. The elephants.
Oh, so cool. The elephant's amazing. Unbelievable. I can go home.
Thank you very much. Oh. Oh. Bro, ice cold. It's gonna be sad to say goodbye to our new tuk-tuk driver friends who we've made along this journey. Say goodbye to their wheels, many hours of driving in these beautiful machines, but hey, you know, the next part of the journey continues.
Thank you for everything. Hey, it was awesome with you guys.
It's gonna be good, man. Well, thank you for everything.
All the best, yeah. Take care and yeah. Hey, drive careful when you go home.
Okay.
Yeah, no sleeping in the tuk-tuk? Okay.
No.
Never. Not too much beer.
No lion.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Next time we take TukTuk from airport with you.
That's not too bad.
No, that's
So apparently, because Brad and Steffi were here before, they've arranged a really kick-ass little outdoor dinner with candle lights and pillows on the ground, which they're gonna set up for us tonight. I mean, how fucking lucky can we be? Look at these guys.
Benefits of traveling with Braffy.
Yes. Got it.